controlled trials. Some of the vaccine-related questions that I think people have. And I want to start with you, Dr. Malone, if that's okay, because you are one of the architects of mRNA technology. And if I were to ask you, Dr. Malone, are you against the vaccine for COVID? I know your answer would be absolutely not, but you do have some issues with this particular vaccine. Why?
So, thanks for that opportunity to make the point that I'm not an anti-vaxxer. I'm a guy who spent the majority of my adult life developing vaccines and trying to get vaccines licensed. For example, the Ebola vaccine that we call the Merck vaccine. This is a technology platform that I believe, and many believe, has enormous promise. And right now, it's in its infancy. The safety of the underlying technology is not yet fully demonstrated. It hasn't been fully characterized, and that will come. That's good news. However, in the fog of war and the need to come up with something as soon as possible, some decisions were made to move things forward very rapidly. They were based on incomplete information. No harm, no foul. People did what they did in good faith and focused on a protein that they thought was fully safe, spike. But now, over a year later, we know that in the virus, this protein is responsible for much of the disease that the virus causes, the pathology in your vascular endothelial cells, the coagulation. And it's unfortunate that this particular protein, in what appears to be a biologically active form, was used in these vaccines.
What is the result of that? What does that mean is happening? This is a thromboembolic disease. What does that mean? COVID is a clotting disease? COVID is a clotting disease? COVID is a clotting disease.